Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Brooks Family Adventures. This is our room tour on the Rhapsody of the Seas, cabin 2455. This was really unique. We chose this room because it was down a small hallway that jogged off of the main hallway. And it only had three rooms down the entire hallway, and we chose it because we thought it would be a nice low traffic area, nice and quiet, and we were definitely right. I would highly recommend this room. It's very quiet and got some good, peaceful rest. The room is definitely small, and we have 29-inch upright spinners for our luggage. We found it really hard to find storage for them, and you couldn't put them up above. We ended up having to move the life vest there and put one there, and then we lifted the bed up and slid one under and then set it back down. And we had to do that because the bag was just too tall otherwise. This room has a flat screen TV and that couch. You don't normally see a flat screen TV in a ship this age, but that was definitely nice, and it made the room feel a little larger having those space saving things. There's ample storage, not a ton, but definitely had enough for what we needed. And although the room is a little outdated, I felt that the bathroom was a little bit more remodeled, and it was very clean overall, the entire room. That shower curtain got to know me very well over the course of the 7-day cruise. That was the smallest cabin shower I have ever been in. So that's my only complaint about the entire room, and probably the entire cruise for that matter. This was a great, great cruise, and I can't wait to show you guys the entire series as we release them over the next couple of weeks. Thank you so much for joining us, and I'll leave you here with a sunset from our very first day as we left Key West. Thank you guys, and we'll see you next time.